let's say a poem together that helps us practice coughing and sneezing into our elbow. Can you try that in your elbow? And we'll do a pretend sneeze like this. Achoo! We'll cover up our cough or our sneeze in our elbow. And in this poem, we're so cold, we call it freezing. When something is really, really cold, we call that freezing. Are you ready? It goes like this. I'm freezing, I'm freezing. I hope I don't start sneezing. Choo! Will you try it with me? Are you ready? Okay, hold yourself tight. You're so cold, you're freezing. Are you ready? I'm freezing, I'm freezing. I hope I don't start sneezing. Choo! Let's try one more time. Are you ready? I'm freezing, I'm freezing. I hope I don't start sneezing. Choo! I hope you practice that at home. And coughing and sneezing into your elbow helps to keep you and the people around you healthy. Stay safe.